Please! Please, your family! I have a family! I have a family to live for! Please!
Fatality. You lose.
Whatever. Thank you.
Player one, choose.
You're gonna die. Sharing me? Whatever. I'll live him.
Bakit yung sa'yo yung
0970 28, ewan ko.
Headshot.
Oo. Hindi, ewan ko. Tignan mo na lang. Di ba nagkukul ako sa'yo?
Bullseye.
Easy. Oh my god, mami! Help me! Help me!
i-load ko na lang sa'yo 15.
Ewan ko.
Finish him.
Oo. Ewan ko. Sige, loadan mo na lang ako pag naubos.
Ha?
Loadan mo na lang ako pag naubos. What? Oh, man. Whatever.
KO.
I'll spare you just this once.
Epic win.
Epic win.
Nakaubos ka ba?
Oo.
Hindi lang.
Ewan ko.
Sabi ko sa ano, gusto mo ang
Player one, choose.
walang expiration.
Okay lang.
Pero 2 GB lang.
Ha? Bala, wag na.
Choose.
Ewan ko, wag na ata.
Player two, choose.
Wag na. Wag na, wag na. Wag na yun. Wag na. Yung may expiration. Diba sabi mo walang expiration. Wag na yun. Oo, ito. Eh, ba't mo tinatanong? Kasi 2 GB lang.
Ito meron 30 pesos. 2 GB.
Bala na yung madami, okay na?
Pero isang araw lang.
Eh,
Ngayon,
isang araw lang. Ewan ko siguro ano yung kasi sa 2 araw.
tayo bukas eh.
Ano bang problema mo, mami? Huwag mo ko kausapin. Huwag mo na ako kausapin. Oh my god! Ang galing, oh. Spraying the nerve, man. Ooh. Okay. Easy. See, you know this. Boom! You're done for, Fernando. Uy, dang it. Wala. Boom, 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 boom. Patay na. You're done for. You're done for. Boom. Boom. Boom.
Brutality.
Boo, culture. Easy win.
Win.
Win. Hey, thank you, man. No, oh wait. What? No.
Player one, choose.
I feel like it's him, was him. You, the chosen one. Boom! No, what? Oh no. Oh no. Tino, please. Basta may ba yan? Inch. Ejud. 17. Boom.
Nice shot.
Mura ni Ejud. Oh my god, moves. My shiny pumpkin face. Hindi ka dito. Dude. Prata makill you. Makill you. Oh man. What the pass? You killed my fine thing. No. Oh no. Please. Please. Oh, 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 oh my god. Scary. Scary, man. Scary. But dang it. What? Yes. So I'm sorry to say, but my cell phone is acting up.